Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube platform of IMS Academy. Myself Prateek MIshra and I am here to answer all the queries related to the MTech courses offered by IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay. One by one we will going to discuss about the different specializations, what are the campus scenario, how the placements do in these colleges and what is the gate cutoff to get different MTech courses in these two premium institutes. But before I start, I would like to make few announcements. First of all, my dear students, our Telegram group link is given in the description box. So you can join our Telegram group to enjoy daily quizzes, and also you will get the daily notification update regarding the different jobs that are offered by PSUs. If any update comes regarding the counseling sessions of COAP and CCMT, that also we provide you in the Telegram group. Next, we at IMS Academy offer 4 different types of courses where we provide 800 hours of live teaching. We provide you with the online program, offline program, hybrid program and the self-learning program. In all of these programs, we provide you with theory book, exercise book where the questions are well placed in level 1, level 2 and level 3 so that even student can analyze their preparation level. We provide you with a gate question bank which contains 34 years of gate questions with detailed solution, with alternate solution, with key points along with the chapter overview. So this gate question bank is a complete package for gate preparation. Along with that, we provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions that helps our student to stay oriented and motivated towards their preparation journey. We provide you with the test series and I announce this very proudly that it is India's largest test series. We provide you with 130 plus tests which includes chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test and full length mock test with the video solution. So these are our course features. So let's start with the very first college of IISc Bangalore which has an NIRF overall ranking of 2. My dear students, if you want to enjoy any of the master program at IISc Bangalore, first of all, you need to have a very good gate score. I will going to provide you what are the different gates cut off for the last years. So you can check how much amount of gate score is required. But first of all, what are the different MTech programs this IISc Bangalore offers? So basically, IISc Bangalore offers 3 varieties of master courses for BTech students. First one is the normal MTech program. Second one is the MDes program, that is Master in Design. Third one is the Master of Management. So all these 3 programs take candidates using the gate score. So that is one advantage of your gate score, that using one score, you can apply for multiple courses at IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore for civil engineering students have a total intake of 32 candidates. Based on your merit, 32 candidates will be selected. In the first year, these 32 candidates will going to have the common coursework. So this is the speciality about IISc Bangalore, that in the first year, all the candidates have the common coursework. After finishing the coursework in the second year, they can choose different areas of study. Like they can go for geotechnical, transportation, environmental, water resource engineering, dam engineering, structural engineering, which are the different specializations of civil engineering. As you can see here, in gate 23, the general category cutoff was 721. This is the gate score, right? This is the gate score of the last candidate who was taken in these MTech programs. So 721 for general, for EWS it was 574, for OBC it was 578, for SC it was 513 and for ST it is 442. You can see here for general candidates, usually the gate score lies between 520 to 568 or 570 you can say. This is the range for general category. For EWS, it has fluctuated over the years. Last year, for EWS, the cutoff was 716. In GATE 2021, it was 511 and for GATE 2020, it was again 745. Now for OBC, for GATE 23, it was 578. For GATE 22, it was 708. For GATE 21, it was 562. And for GATE 20, it is 707. Same is for SC/ST candidates. Now before this, one announcement that You need to first register into COAP portal and then you can visit the website of IISc to apply for the master program. The counseling for master program of IISc will be conducted using the COAP portal. So you need to have the COAP registration ID to have yourself considered in the different rounds of counseling for IISc Bangalore. So these are the cutoff for last 4 years. I have provided you the enough detail. You can take the screenshot if you want. Now if I talk about the different area of study that is offered for civil engineering at IISc, geotechnical engineering, water resource engineering, environmental engineering, structural engineering, transportation system engineering and dam engineering. My dear students, IISc Bangalore has one unique feature, and that is in the first year it is not decided which specialization you will be getting. It totally depends on your interest. Whatever is your interest, you can take project of that in the second year. Okay. Moving on with the other branches. So apart from these core areas of civil engineering, a civil engineering candidate can also apply for aerospace engineering, climate science, CP computational and data science. You might be knowing that this year a separate paper of data science was conducted. But last year, civil engineering student based on the civil engineering gate score have opted for this specialization. Then you have earth science and bioengineering. So these are interdisciplinary branch in which students from multiple branches can apply. You can see here for aerospace general category, the cutoff was 915. For climate science, it was 685. For CP computational and data science, for OBC, it was 764. For earth science, it is 660. For general, for EWS, it is 630. For OBC, it is 650. And for SC, it is 470. And for ST, it is 300. For bioengineering, for SC, it is 426. The other data, why I haven't provided, reason is the civil engineering candidates of that category have not applied for these interdisciplinary branches, right? Talking about the placement, the highest CTC that was offered last year was 85 LPA. And talking about specially for master courses, the average package offered at IISc was 22.5 LPA. Now this is the final placement offer. Before that, after completing your first year, you will be offered with paid internship, and the average stipend offered in this paid internship is 72,000 per month, and the highest stipend offered was 1.1 lakh per month. So this was the overall scenario for IISc Bangalore. If you have a very good interest in the research field, then IISc Bangalore should be your top choice. You name any branch of science, you will find a master course conducted by IISc Bangalore. So these are the premium details about IISc Bangalore. Again, I would like to repeat this. If you want to take part in the counseling rounds for IISc Bangalore, you need to first register for COAP portal. I have already made one video. Even I am going to attach the link for that, how you can register for COAP portal in the description box so you can check. Moving ahead with this, the next very, very important college in this list is IIT Bombay. This is one of the dream college of all of us when we were in our school days. But again, having a good gate score will land you to IIT Bombay. Again, if you want to be considered in master course for IIT Bombay, you need to again first apply for COAP portal. Then you need to visit the IIT Bombay website and you need to register it separately. While registering for IIT Bombay, COAP registration ID will be required. Same will be required when you will be applying for IISc. When you apply for IISc, again COAP registration ID will be required, right? In IIT Bombay, different types of MTech programs are offered. So one by one, I am going to discuss that. The first type of MTech program offered is known as MTech with teaching assistants. Again, a valid gate score is required, but even if your name comes in the counseling and you accept the offer, after that you need to give one additional test and interview, then only your final selection will be done. In MTech with teaching assistant, you will be provided with a stipend of 12,400 rupees. But if you take this course, you need to ensure that you are not working anywhere or you are not doing any other course parallelly. You need to give teaching assistance of at least 8 hours per week during your coursework and even during your project. You will get a stipend for at least 2 years. This course is having a duration of 2 years. After completion of the 2 years, you may not get the stipend if your project is extended in that case. Next, The second type of MTech program offered by IIT Bombay is known as MTech with Teaching Assistantship through Project. Now, this is one very interesting program which is offered at IIT Bombay. Again, in this program, if you are shortlisted, then you need to face one additional test and interview for the final selection. Here also the stipend offered is 12,400 rupees, and while doing this course, you cannot be working in any other organization or you cannot do any other coursework if you are doing this master course. Now, what is one important thing about this program? One important thing about this MTech program is, while you will be doing your MTech, you will get a chance to work on a real-time industrial project. And in the second year, you need to submit your dissertation work in that project only. So this type of course will give you a direct exposure of the industry. So this is the second program. Again, the course duration is 2 years for this program. Next is MTech with Fellowship Awardee. Now, the only difference between the other MTech offered at IIT Bombay and this is, in the last two programs, in this program, the stipend will be offered by the Ministry of Education. Here also, MTech with Teaching Assistant, the stipend offered will be given by Ministry of Education. But here in this program, the stipend will be given by these organizations: Aeronautics Research and Development Board, Department of Science and Technology, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, Department of Atomic Energy, Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, Forbes Marshall Textile Machinery Manufacturer Association, then International Energy Initiative and Larsen and Toubro. These are the different organizations which gives the stipend. Stipend is same, 12,400 rupees, and the course duration is again 2 years. The different specializations offered at IIT Bombay is Structural Engineering, Transportation System Engineering, Geotechnical Engineering, Environmental Science and Engineering, Water Resource Engineering, Construction Material and Management. The total intake for IIT Bombay for master courses is 93. And looking into the GATE score, you can see here, for Transportation System Engineering, in GATE 2023, the cutoff was 736 for general and 701 for EWS. Similarly, for OBC it was 674, for SC it is 598, and for ST it is 529. For structural engineering, general category will have a cutoff of 813, EWS has a cutoff of 781, OBC has a cutoff of 755, SC 684 and ST 552. For geotechnical specialization, general category had a cutoff of 695, EWS has a cutoff of 718, OBC has a cutoff of 587, SC candidates have a cutoff of 489 and ST candidate have a cutoff of 555. For construction technology and management, general category students have a cutoff of 792, EWS category students have a cutoff of 709, OBC candidates have a cutoff of 691, SC candidates have a cutoff of 648 and ST candidates have a cutoff of 485. For environmental science and engineering, general category students have a cutoff of 611, EWS category student have 516 as a cutoff, then OBC student has a cutoff of 456, SC category candidates have a cutoff of 365 and ST category candidates again have a cutoff of 365. The next specialization is water resource and engineering. General category candidate have a cutoff of 622, EWS has a cutoff of 618, OBC is 559, SC is 495 and ST is 580. Now, ocean engineering is a kind of a multidisciplinary MTech program. So, civil engineering students have a cutoff of 629, EWS category has a cutoff of 658, OBC has a cutoff of 586, SC category has 413. For remote sensing, general category had a cutoff of 736, EWS has a cutoff of 629, OBC has a cutoff of 608, SC candidates have a cutoff of 434 and ST candidates have a cutoff of 4112. Okay, so these were the cutoffs of last year, GATE 2023, for these different specializations offered by IIT Bombay. Now, talking about the next thing, that is the package offered is 16.55 LPA. This is the average package offered for the master programs of IIT Bombay. The best part about IIT Bombay is if you have enrolled in the master program, you will be eligible for all the companies that are visiting the campus of IIT Bombay. So depending on your personal caliber, you can crack any company of your choice. So these are all the details. Moving on to the last thing. First, my dear students, you need to apply for the COAP portal. After getting the registration ID of COAP, you need to apply for different institutes. Then only your name will be considered in the counseling of COAP. So don't make the mistake in applying only in COAP. You need to register for these institutes as well. Okay. Again, I would like to make few announcements. Join our Telegram group. The link is given in the description box to enjoy the daily quizzes, to get the updates on the PSU jobs, and also if any update comes regarding COAP and CCMT portal, that is also provided in our Telegram group. At IMS Gate Academy, again we provide you with 800 hours of live classes in online mode, offline mode, hybrid mode and the self-learning mode. We provide you with theory and exercise book which contains 4000 plus practice questions well versed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. Along with that, we provide you with a gate question bank containing 34 years of gate question with detailed solution, with alternate solution, with key points, with chapter overview. We provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions, and we provide India's largest test series which contains 130 plus tests including chapter tests, subject tests, multiple subject tests, advanced subject test and the full-length mock test. Again, the link is given in the description box. If you need to speak to our counselor, the number is here and the number is also in the description box. So I think this video was informative. You get a lot of clarity regarding the different master courses offered by IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay for civil engineering candidates. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Have a great day ahead.